Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be talking about indexing in Python. So the index operator is these two brackets and it basically just gives access to a sequence's element. So if it's a string or a list or a tuple, you can use indexing because they allow indexing. So to start off, we have a variable, which is my first and last name, with an exclamation mark. So you can use indexing to capitalize the first letter. So we can do that with a simple if statement. So if name, and then this is where you use the indexing. So 0 is the first character because computers always start with 0. And then use the is lower method. Name equals name dot capitalize. And let's print name. Sorry, hold on. I have to just current file, run it, and there you go. It was lowercase and now it's capitalized. So that's our first example. In our second example, we're going to be making the first name all uppercase. And here's how you do that. So you can first start by declaring a new variable. So first name equals to name, and then indexing again. So this operator 6 dot upper. So let me explain this a little bit. So first name, this is going to be our new variable, and it equals to the variable we already have, and then :6. :6 basically just means everything before the 6. So you have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everything before right here, as you can see, 6, and before it is empty. Here you could also have 0. It would have the same effect, but we're just going to keep it simple and keep it like this. So you come here and print first name, run it, and you get my first name and it's all uppercase. And for the next example, the third example, we're gonna be making the last name all lowercase. So let's just change this to some of it can be uppercase just to make the example, just to see if it works or not. So last name, again we start with by making a new variable equals to name. And if we ended at 6 for the first name, that means we gotta start at 7 for the last name. So 7, and then you just reverse it, right? We put the colon on the right, we put the number on the right side of the colon. Now we put it on the left side because we want the end. So here it's 6 is on the right side because we want whatever's on the left. And here we want what's on the right, so we put the 7 on the left, and we put the colon here, meaning everything else that's on the right. And we use the the lower method. And you run it. Hold on, let me print last name, run it, and there you go. It's all lowercase. Before it had 3 uppercase letters, but now it's all lowercase. So last but not least, we have one more example, and it's that we're going to be making a variable of the last character in this string. And -1, which you'll see shortly, means the first character starting from the end. So basically from the end moving back. So last character, new variable, equals to name -1. And then we print last character. Run it, and as you can see, it just prints the last character. If you put -2, it prints the second to last character. So this is the last character. If you print 2, it'll go, okay, this is 1, 2, so it'll print D. And then 3 would be A, and then 4 is M, 5 is A again, and so on. So that's it for Python today. That's it for the Python video today about indexing. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Python and computer science content.